Good morning. Today is October 19, 2020. I wanted to look at actually, I want to cover a heat map for today, as well as there's something big happened over the weekend, which most people are not aware of it. It was basically $80 trillion worth of fiat currency was reset by IMF. The beneficiary of this reset will be cryptocurrency and precious metal. I really believe when it comes to precious metal space, silver is going to be the beneficiary of that more than gold. They will both go up, but silver will, I can see triple digit next year sometimes. But anyway, looking at today's heat map, we have BTC's up, Ethereum's up, XRP, all the big ones are up. LTC, I like to see LTC go up further. ADA is up, XMR, EOS, all these major cryptocurrencies are up for today. Again, like I said, something big bang. IMF did a big bang reset over the weekend, and I think we'll cover that a little bit more. But this will benefit cryptocurrency and precious metal going forward. A great financial reset. IMF managing director calls for the new Bretton Woods moment. Big reset, okay? As global economy shudders from the disastrous effect of central planning, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Managing Director, Washington, D.C., Georgieva, is calling for a new Bretton Woods moment. Okay, now this is big because they're resetting $80 trillion, going from LIBOR to, they're going to go LIBOR to secured overnight financing rate, which is called SOFR. This is a gymnastic they do over the weekend. There is a speech that the director put out on IMF site. I can put a link to that, but this is big news. Again, but at the same time, this is planned in decades in advance, so I'm not impressed by it. Raoul Pal tweeted that the fiat globally will be worthless versus hard asset, referring to the precious metal, and it means that gold and particular Bitcoin will become the way of circumvent the system over lower value. So fiat currency is going to go down, and the beneficiary will be precious metal and the cryptocurrency that you can expect. So that's what happened over the weekend. Big move that occurred over the weekend by IMF. Silver is around $25, and this is the spot price. You probably won't, ideally you want to own physical in your hands, because if you don't own it, you don't have it. So it's going to have premium of about 10 to 20% premium on top, but it's worth still. I think silver is cheap because at the end of the year I expect to be around $50 to $60. It'll pass this $30 definitely, and next year I expect triple digits. So definitely can make money with the silver. More importantly, you can protect your wealth against devaluating dollar, and what IMF just did. So definitely get into it. Stay away from ETFs because that's attached to fiat, and they may not even have enough silver going forward. So stay away from ETF. If you want to own silver, get a physical and store it with yourself. So this way you're safe as what's coming next in terms of devaluating fiat currency. So yeah, if you're, so I'm going to put some links below as far as what happened over the weekend, what director of IMF said. The speech she announced or she had on IMF site. I'll put the link to that, as well as if you're interested in going to Binance and buying currency, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you want to get 10% discount, click on that. That's an affiliated link, so you can save some 10% on it on immediate purchase.